Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, handling date and time along with time zones can be accomplished using the java.time package, which was introduced in Java 8. This package provides a modern API for date and time manipulation that is more intuitive and thread-safe compared to the older java.util.date and java.util.calendar classes. ### key classes in java.time package. 1. Zoneddatetime. This class represents a date time with a time zone in the ISO 8601 calendar system. 2. Zoneid. This class represents a time zone identifier, such as America/new_York. 3. Zoneoffset. This class represents a time zone offset from UTC. 4. Localdatetime. This class represents a date time without a time zone, useful for representing local date times. 5. Instant. This class represents a moment on the timeline, a timestamp. ### Working with time zones. Here's how you can work with time zones in Java using the java.time package. #####1. Getting the current date and time in different time zones. Here's a code example that demonstrates how to get the current date and time in different time zones. ####2. Converting between time zones. You can easily convert a zoned date time from one time zone to another. ####3. Working with time zone offsets. You can also work with time zone offsets directly using zoneoffset. ####. Conclusion. The java.time package provides powerful tools for handling date and time, especially when dealing with different time zones. You can easily create date-time instances, convert them between time zones, and work with offsets. This makes it much simpler to manage time-related data accurately in your applications. ###. Key takeaways. Use zoneddatetime for date time with time zone. Use zoneid to specify time zones. Use zoneoffset for working with specific offsets from UTC. Always prefer the java.time package over the legacy java.util.date and java.util.calendar classes for new projects. Feel free to ask if you have more questions or need further examples.